All right. So doing a test here to see if any of this stuff works. Let me cut on some phantom power, and hopefully that makes a difference. But I can't hear myself, which is driving me crazy. So I'm going to disconnect this, and we're going to go all the way over here and see if that makes a difference. And it does make a slight difference. I can almost hear myself think. So let's come here and pot these up. Much better. All right. So we're going to do a test and see if this is something that's going to be plausible in the future. So if you're on the Rumbly, let's go ahead and we're going to try to play an audio thing through and see if that works. Let me go ahead and get established here with the level of stuff. And let's pull up something. One of our friends. Look at this. It's let's go check our friend Mike Keene. Oh, look at that. Okay, we're trying to get there. Almost have it. Almost have it. Come on, give us some volume here. We'll put some gain there. We'll put some stuff there. Let's see how that works. Is that better? I can almost hear it. I can almost hear it. There it is. It's almost there. And let's max out that, max out that, max out that. All right, we're going to switch here to a different one here and see if we've got anything. All right, so again, an engineering test. If you want to be part of this, just request to be Rumble live chat and work. But I'm trying to figure out what I can play through the device and what I cannot. And that doesn't seem to be working, unfortunately. So let's go back here. We're just going to play some garbage in the background. All right, so this part's not working. So, okay, live and learn. We're definitely living and we're definitely learning.
Foods.
There we go. All right.
Ancestors.
So it looks like we figured out the secret. Okay, gonna hit pause there. And our friend Ray Mears, that was something I was watching earlier today. Gotta love Ray Mears. So we're gonna come here and see if we're just a little bit. All right, so we can do that, and we can talk over it. There, very good, very good. So that's a really positive thing. But yeah, living and learning. Might have to. We need to find somebody to join in on this. Do you have Rumble there, Max? Go to rumble.com, and we'll see if Maximus can do it through your phone, please, and we'll do a test. And if this works, and this is a big if, of course, lots of ifs here. If this works, then what I would like to do is on special occasions, I would like to do some roundtables where you and me can talk, and I'm trying to get him set up on this. And we're going to go to, let's see, it's okay, we'll figure this out here. Should learn how to spell my own name. How about that? Wouldn't that be great? So again, engineering, there we go. That's an engineering test. We've got a live one, and we're going to do an experiment here. And okay, so they've got total one. Total one. Okay, we're trying to figure this out here. And sign in to chat. Okay, we're going to let you sign in with the Book of Faces. You have Facebook on this thing, right?
Yeah.
All right, go sign in to that. And don't say it out loud because other people will be able to hear you. But yeah, so we'll figure this out hopefully in short order. Hopefully in short order. But it's cool that we can play some stuff in the background. So we'll find something annoying to play and maybe talk about. Are you signing in there? All right, go ahead and sign in so we can do this as an experiment and see if it works. And if this works, then we can accept. And the important part is these programs that I do are almost always open lines programs. It's frequently I start every hour with a monologue, and then that crosses over, and we take your calls for the entire rest of the deal. And that's great. That's where I would like to be. But I like the idea that in a hurry, and I'll give you the impetus for this. So the great people that are at my station, and that's I've got all these things making noise. The great people at my station, um, we have Panthers football on Sunday, and I think I might be done with the preemption for the rest of the year. I know it's supposed to be two, and I think I've had two preempts already. But there's some weeks, especially in these next couple weeks, that are really, really big, hugely big, um, gargantuanly, hugely big as it can be. Right now, civilization hangs in the balance, and that's where we are. I mean, that's not a joke. That's exactly where we are. And you don't want to lose out. Okay, and so we got two. Let's see if we can bring somebody on. So listen to that, and let's see. Oh, now I'm getting hectored here. Hey, Brad, I'm doing an engineering test. I've got preempted by the football folks. No, but we're working on a thing that I'm going to do Rumble. I think if I can get this to work, we're doing an experiment right now. If I can get this work long term, we'll do a Rumble thing on these times when I'm not on the air. And then I think it would be fun to once a week have a roundtable where I can let other people chat all across the planet. So that's what we're going to work on, Brad. Yeah. No, this is a not this non-scheduled, non-scheduled. But thanks so much for checking in, Brad. All right, sounds good. Talk to you later. All right, bye. And see, that's the beauty of this stuff is so I'm going to go to studio and let's see if I want on the bring somebody on. What does it say? Manage participants. Are you still on there, Maximus? No one is in the waiting room. Participants one of nine. Let's see if we can. That's me. And let's see. Up to nine participants at once. Waiting room. Invite. Let's see how we do this. Require approval. Um, goodness, copy. All right, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna say you can get email, right? We're gonna do an experiment here. And I hate that you have to be involved in this. I might delete this from both the. I think right now it's on the book of. No, it's on Rumble, and then it's on YouTube right now.
Well, it feels good to be famous.
Yeah, infamous. That's right. Here, let me. if this will slowly load. Okay, so we're going to hit compose. Give me the thing there. But once we get this figured out, it'll fly. It'll fly. It'll be good. Come on. Let me compose. Let me compose, not decompose. I just want to compose an email with an invite. Let's see here. Oh, there's the compose. Which is the good one to send it to? IO, okay. And that's the one without the thing. All right, so I'm going to send you control. I'm going to send you the link, and I want you to click on it from the email. And see if you can do that. Okay, well, let's see. Hit F5. You get it? Click on that link. What's it saying?
Download Rumble Studio for your phone. Well, that seems to work.
All right, go ahead and install a Rumble Studio for your phone.
All right.
So that might be the problem. That might be the problem. No ingress. Create and manages all the connections here. Okay, so we'll figure it out and get it running. But yeah, so the reason I have an interest in this is, really it's a Tuesday night, November 5th. That's the truth. The real reason I have an interest in doing it this way is Tuesday night, November 5th, because it's either going to be the greatest thing in the world, or it's going to be an absolute nightmare. So that's what are you installing that? Okay. And so in the basement of the house, in the lair, in LAIR, we're trying to figure this out, and I don't think it will be impossible. We just need to make sure that that it works. I was hoping that I would not have to have other people install it. I thought maybe they would just be able to go into it. But let's see. Let's do what kind of theme do we want? Texty, add new text media, add new media, sound, video. Okay, can it? Okay, so we've got this. Is it doing it yet?
There we go.
Okay, install it.
Yep.
And then you have your. Okay, just do that. So one thing for me. So it's good that when you have an army of children, you get to use them sometimes. Just no live chats. You'll see live chats from all connected destinations here. So that's just the thing. All right, so you there yet? Okay.
I want
Okay.
to. All right, I'm on the app. You want to open the link again?
Yeah.
All right.
And see if it'll do it. And if it'll do it, that would be amazing. My nose is running too. Go figure. Going to do the big sneeze here. Excuse me. Cut that way. You're joining Dr. Okay, what does it say?
Enter display name.
Okay. Oh, good. So you can create your own name?
Yep.
All right. Go ahead and do that, and we'll see if it works.
I gotta allow the camera.
Yep.
And request join.
Okay. And let's see how that works. See if you're in on the live chat. Not as of yet. If you're in the studio part, not as of yet.
Waiting on your approval.
Oh, okay. Well, look at that. I do have that. So what I would like you to do is just to step into that room and close the door. And we're going to try to bring you online and see how it works. All right. So here we're going to do require approval. We'll say accept. And is there no one in the waiting room now? participants 2 of 9. There we go. And let's go ahead and.
I'm here.
All right, I don't hear you, but let me check some stuff out. Steal this away here. Hold on just a second and see if I can pick you up on this thing. Okay, can you hear that?
Yes.
Can you hear that other than through the speaker thing?
Yeah.
So that part looks like it's working. I just can't hear it from his side. So let me sneak this out here and put that in there again, so I can at least hear myself. So I'm going to hit this. Somehow it's got you modded out. Let me give you permission here.
No, I can turn it off.
Okay, that was you. That was you. All right, so it looks like we have the power to invite people. We just need to figure out how I can get to the point where I can hear these people. But yeah, I can hear myself in the background with a slight delay. So this is going to work. It's not going to work today, but we know it's possible to get this to work in some form and fashion. So we're going to exit out of this and maybe delete this, but we'll get this fixed. So thanks for, if you've listened this long, thanks for suffering with me.
I'm all in there. I think I'm still in your Rumble thing.
That's okay. You can.
How about leave?
Yeah, you can leave.
Leave stream.
I'm going to end this.